Hello guys, welcome to Tech Solutions. So this is Ethical here with you. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to scan and remove any kind of malware in your computer system. All right. Of course, this works on any Windows computer. All right. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, what you need to do is just press Windows R on your keyboard. When you hit Windows R, this run pin pops up, so you need to just type MRT. Okay, this is what you need to type. When you type MRT, you just click on OK or you press enter, whichever way you feel is comfortable for you. So when you press enter, you wait for the window to pop up. Alright, so as you can see, the user account control window pops up for you. All you need to click on is yes. So you wait for it to load up. All right, so as you can see, it says welcome to the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Okay, so this is actually a tool that is present on all Windows computers. So all you need to do is just click on next. So as you can see, there are different kinds of scans here. You have quick scan, we have full scan, I also have a customized scan. So what I need to do here is I'm going to go with the quick scan. Now I'll just click on next. So since it's a quick scan, as you can see, the tool is scanning all my files. Yeah, it's scanning all the files on this computer to identify the ones that are being infected. So as you can see, files count so far, and the files that are infected, of course, for now is 0. Now the start time, of course, this is when the scanning started, then the time it's going to elapse. So now let's wait for this to finish scanning. Of course, malicious program softwares that are developed to interrupt or to disrupt the normal functionality of a computer system. Okay, so you get this malicious program from either free online softwares, that is you download them from the internet, or you get them through file transfer, that is sharing of files using let's say pen drives or external hard drives. Okay, so we're going to wait for this to finish scanning. All right, so this is actually a trick that you can use to quickly detect if your system is infected with any virus or malicious program. Of course, when your system is, you can run this scan when you detect that your system is slow, or let's say your system opens applications by itself without any action. So of course you can run this kind of scan so that you get those files that have been infected by that virus. Once you get any infected files, of course you get rid of them. You're going to delete all of them. For now, as you can see, the infected file is still on 0. Okay, I think this is actually taking a little bit of time. So what I need to do is I'm going to pause this video and wait for it to finish scanning, because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm going to pause the video now. When it is done scanning, I'll resume. Okay, so as you can see, the scanning process is still going on. We still have I think the infected file so far is still on 0, and you can see the time it has taken so far for the scanning. So we'll still chill out to wait for it to complete. Okay, so I'm still going to pause it here. Okay guys, so as you can see, the scanning process is done. Now look at the scan result. Now as you can see, it says no malware software was detected. Okay, so it means my system is malware free. There's no malicious program, on my computer. All right, so guys, this is how easy it is to get this done. Bye for now. So all I need to do is just click on finish,